What if the most reliable SUV you could buy right now costs less than one monthly payment on a new one? 7 SUVs under $10,000, all with documented owner records past 200,000 miles, annual repair costs under $600, and proven engines built before the industry decided complexity was progress. Every dollar of depreciation has already been paid by someone else. Every pick has the specific year, the exact engine code, and the real mileage ceiling. 7 picks. Real data. Let's get into it. Number 7, 2009 to 2013, Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot earns its place here on the strength of the J35 V6. Underneath it, the same engine family refined across the Odyssey, Ridgeline, and Accord 6-cylinder simultaneously. RepairPal gives the Pilot a 5 out of 5.0 reliability rating with an annual repair cost of $542. Car Lifespan Check projects 250,000 miles with regular maintenance. 3 rows. 4,500 pounds of towing capacity. Available right now for $6,500 to $10,000. Target 2012 or 2013 specifically lower variable cylinder management complaint volume than the 2009 to 2011 models. A pre-purchase inspection at an independent Honda familiar mechanic is mandatory before buying. Coming up the Honda with one of the most documented long-running engines in modern automotive history. Simple, no turbocharger. No continuously variable transmission. Regularly crosses 200,000 miles. Number 6, 2007 to 2011, Honda CR-V. The K24Z1 4-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder in the 2007 to 2011 CR-V is one of the most documented long-running engines in the modern automotive industry. Car Lifespan Check notes the same K24 engine family legendary durability and documents these CR-Vs regularly reaching 200,000 and 250,000 miles with nothing beyond scheduled maintenance. No turbocharged, no continuously variable transmission, no direct injection soot problems. Parts are inexpensive and available everywhere. RepairPal, 4.5 out of 5.0. Annual repair cost, $407. Check the timing chain tensioner on any example above 150,000 miles, a cheap proactive service that prevents an expensive reactive. Up next, the Toyota with the same proven engine philosophy. A timing chain instead of a belt, and a documented ceiling past 250,000 miles. Available under $10,000 right now. Number 5, 2009 to 2013 Toyota RAV4 Car Lifespan Check documents the 2009 to 2013 RAV4 with the 2AR V2 5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder as one of the most reliable engines on the market, featuring a timing chain rather than a timing belt and a 4-speed automatic that is dated but effectively indestructible. These RAV4s regularly reach 250,000 miles. J-Power gave the 2013 RAV4 an 88 out of 100. The 2009 cutoff matters. The 2006 to 2008 RAV4 used the older 2AZ V2 4-liter with documented oil consumption issues. Target 2010 to 2013 for the cleanest 2AR fee ownership experience. Current used prices, $7,000 to $10,000. Number 4 is the 3-row Toyota that RepairPal rates number 1 in its entire class. Under $10,000. 3 rows. A projected lifespan of 250 to 300,000 miles. Number 4, 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander RepairPal rates the Toyota Highlander number 1 in the midsize SUV segment 4.0 out of 5.0. Annual repair cost, $489. The 2GR-V 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder was used across the Camry 6-cylinder, Sienna, Venza, and Lexus RX 350. Simultaneously, every engineering concern resolved at massive combined production scale. Car Lifespan Check projects 250 to 300,000 miles. 3 rows, under $10,000 in the current market. Clean 2010 to 2013 examples with 130 to 160,000 miles sit at $65 to $10,000. On a platform projected to 300,000 miles, that mileage is the midpoint, not the end. Check for timing cover oil seepage above 150,000 miles and verify transmission service history before buying. Number 3 comes with standard all-wheel drive on every trim, an 8.7-inch ground clearance, and a flat 4 that IC Cars rates 8.0 out of 10 for reliability. And then number 2, a Lexus. Under $10,000. Number 3, 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback. The 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback delivers standard all-wheel drive on every trim, a raised ground clearance of 7 inches, and a reliability score of 8.0 out of 10 from IC Cars. Annual repair cost, approximately $607. The naturally aspirated flat 4 configuration is the specific pick the turbocharged variants introduce complexity that the non-turbo avoids entirely. Target the 2013 and 2014 models specifically. They use the FB25 5-liter flat 4, which resolved the more significant head gasket concerns associated with the earlier EJ TOW 5.3 generation. Current prices: $6,000 to $9,500. Mandatory pre-purchase check on any Subaru at this mileage. Inspect the oil filler cap and dipstick for milky residue. A cold start compression test at an independent Subaru familiar mechanic is non-negotiable on any EJ253 example. Number 2, 2006 to 2009 Lexus RX 350. You can buy a Lexus RX 350 for under $10,000 right now. The 2GR Phi 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder, the same engine we just covered in the Highlander entry, with a documented 250,000-mile ownership, access to the Lexus dealer service network, and an interior that still competes with mainstream vehicles costing 3 times the price. RepairPal puts annual RX 350 repair costs at approximately $550. JD. Power gave the 2009 RX 350 an outstanding reliability score for its segment. Clean examples with 130 to 170,000 miles sit at $7,000 to $10,000 right now. Check for secondary air injection system check engine lights above 100,000 miles, a known non-critical issue on this generation. Typically $300 to $600 to resolve proactively. Also verify the timing cover for any oil seepage common on higher mileage 2GR Phi examples across all platforms. And number 1, the platform with owners who have documented over 300,000 miles on the original engine. The one that has generated more long mileage testimonials than almost any other compact SUV ever built in America. Number 1, 2009 to 2012 Toyota RAV4. 75% of all Toyota RAV4s sold in the past 20 years are still on the road today. That figure comes from ownership and registration data, not Toyota's marketing department. And it is the single most compelling long-term reliability statistic in the entire compact SUV segment at any price. The 2009 to 2012 RAV4 with the 2AR Phi 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder is the year window that built that statistic. Naturally aspirated. Timing chain rather than belt. No cylinder deactivation. Toyota refined this engine simultaneously across the Camry, Highlander, and Venza, meaning every significant engineering issue was identified and resolved in a much larger combined production volume before a single 2AR Phi arrived in a RAV4. Car lifespan check projects 250 to 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Forum verified owner accounts of crossing 300,000 miles on the original engine with nothing beyond scheduled maintenance exist in enough volume to be statistically meaningful. Annual repair cost, $429. Probability of a severe repair in 10 years, 10% below the 12% industry average. Right now, 2009 to 2012 RAV4s with 120,000 to 160. 0 miles are available in most markets for $6,500 to $9,500. With a 300,000-mile documented ceiling and $429 per year in repair costs, that mileage is not a warning. It is the point at which the original owner's depreciation loss becomes your buying opportunity. Before buying, check the oil level and condition before starting the engine. Run a compression test. Verify all wheel drive components on all wheel drive examples. And avoid any example where the seller cannot provide at least 2 years of oil change records. Service history tells you more than the odometer does on a platform this proven. Every vehicle here was built before the industry decided complexity was progress. The owners running these platforms past 200,000 miles are not doing anything extraordinary. They are changing the oil on schedule, replacing wear items when they wear out, and driving vehicles whose fundamental engineering was done right the first time. That is the entire formula. And every vehicle on this list delivers it for under $10,000. Subscribe for more content like this. Drop your current daily driver in the comments year, engine, and mileage. Tell us how far it has gone. We read every one. See you in the next one.